Welcome and thank you for choosing EarthWerks Loose Lay Luxury Vinyl Flooring. This new, easy-to-install, versatile flooring concept is designed with the inspired by nature beauty that is the hallmark of all EarthWerks flooring and is perfect for residential and commercial applications. EarthWerks Loose Lay flooring is just that simple, because it's a high-quality flooring system specifically designed to fit together with no locking mechanisms or full-field adhesive required. The pieces simply lay in place quickly, usually requiring about half the installation time of other types of flooring, and it can be installed over many existing floor coverings. And best of all, EarthWerks Loose Lay can be easily removed and reused elsewhere. Our specially engineered backing provides additional stability, and our Tough Shield double coating method adds extra strength and resistance to normal wear, giving you one of the best finishes in the industry. It is quieter to walk on than ceramic, laminate, or hardwood, and warmer and softer under your feet. It's impervious to moisture and spills, and it's 100% recyclable. This video is designed to give you a very good overview of how to properly prepare your subfloor and how to install EarthWerks Loose Lay flooring for best results, low maintenance, and lasting beauty. Before you begin, make sure that you have all the tools and supplies you will need for installation. Please refer to the installation instructions on our website for a complete list. Step 1. Acclimation. EarthWerks Loose Lay should be installed in an indoor, climate-controlled location that has a working heat and air conditioning source operational for a minimum of 1 week prior to installation and will remain in operation during and after installation. Conditions should be at the same temperature and humidity level expected during normal use, between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 to 29 degrees Celsius, with relative humidity under 65%. You should never install EarthWerks Loose Lay flooring outdoors. Make sure that the substrate, flooring, and adhesive are also fully acclimated to these conditions for a minimum of 48 hours prior to beginning your installation. For best results, remove all of the flooring from the carton and separate it into small piles. And be sure to protect the finished floor from intense direct sunlight. Step 2. Patch irregularities in the subfloor. Although EarthWerks Loose Lay is designed to be a loose lay floor installation, proper preparation of the subfloor is still a major part of a successful installation. Roughness or unevenness of the subfloor may telegraph through the new floor. All subfloor should be smooth and flat, with a tolerance not exceeding 1/8 inch in any 6-foot span. Use a good quality, non-shrinking, water-resistant Portland cement patching compound to fill or smooth any irregularities that could show through the new floor. You will need to fill in holes, grooves, and other depressions with a Portland cement-based underlayment and trowel smooth and feather even with the surrounding surface. Step 3. Moisture testing. It is the contractor's as well as the installer's responsibility to test all concrete substrates, whether new or old, for moisture content to determine if it is sufficiently dry to install EarthWerks Loose Lay flooring. Moisture in a concrete substrate should be tested, and moisture level should never exceed 5 pounds, and relative humidity levels of the concrete should never exceed 80%. All wood and wood composition panels, including plywood, OSB, flake board, and particle boards, can be used, providing that they are smooth, flat, structurally sound, and free of deflection. Wood subfloors must have a well-ventilated space below. The ground under crawl spaces must be covered with 6 mil or 1.25 millimeter polyethylene sheeting to reduce moisture vapor transmission. With metal and painted floors, remove any loose paint or other finishes. Existing adhesive residue needs to be removed or encapsulated. Never scrape adhesive residue, such as black cutback, that may contain asbestos. Avoid using solvent-based cleaning chemicals. Solvents and other abrasive chemicals used to clean the subfloor can damage the backing of EarthWerks loose lay if not properly removed and can affect the product's performance. EarthWerks loose lay can be installed over most existing hard surface floor coverings, provided the existing floor surface is smooth or can be made smooth. Ceramic tile should be made smooth by applying a Portland cement-based overlay, such as a patching or a leveling compound, to smooth out the grout joints. Existing resilient floors may require an embossing leveler to smooth the surface. Heavily cushioned vinyl flooring or vinyl flooring consisting of multiple layers are not a suitable subfloor for installation. Step 4. Installing your EarthWerks loose lay flooring. First, determine how you want the flooring to run. Typically, for plank products, the flooring runs the length of the room. To avoid narrow plank widths or short plank lengths near the perimeter, it is important to do some pre-planning. Using the width of the room, calculate how many full planks will fit into the area and how much space remains that will need to be covered by partial planks. Divide the remaining space by 2 to calculate the width of the partial planks. Do the same for the length. EarthWerks loose lay flooring has been designed to be installed in the interior of any building with minimal adhesive, as long as the subfloor has been properly prepared. Refer to the installation guide for full details. Before installing, make sure the subfloor is dry and dust-free. Around the perimeter of the room, including transition areas to other floors, apply a 4-inch adhesive strip using either EW22 spray or ST100 trowel-applied adhesive. If a room has dimensions greater than 12 feet in any direction, then it is recommended that additional 4-inch adhesive strips are applied in a grid formation, and the distance between strips is no greater than 12 feet. For commercial installations, follow these same steps, except for areas with high foot traffic, more volatile temperature variations, or rolling loads. If there are concerns with any of these conditions, it is recommended you use a full spread adhesive in those sections. Use either EW22 spray or ST100 trowel applied adhesive. The planks or tile should be installed from one corner of the room, working your way out toward the other wall. Planks or tile should be tight against the wall, and make sure to keep the seams nice and straight. Using a utility knife and straight edge, score the top surface of the plank or tile and snap downward for any fill pieces needed. Start the next row. Planks should be installed randomly staggering the end joints not less than 6 inches from the previous row end joint. Keep planks tight to the surrounding floor, and if a seam is not tight, you can easily just lift the planks and reposition them. When fitting around door jambs or other irregular objects, first make a pattern using heavy paper or poster board. Trace the pattern onto the flooring and cut with a utility knife. As you can see, installing EarthWerks loose lay vinyl flooring is easy. Just continue installing by keeping the pieces tight to the previous row. The final step is to thoroughly clean the installed floor with EarthWerks Floor Cleaner or an equivalent neutral pH cleaner, and bring out the beauty of your new flooring. In caring for EarthWerks loose lay flooring, clean spills immediately, and lightly wash regularly with warm water or EarthWerks Floor Cleaner. Do not use soap-based detergents or abrasive cleaners. To avoid damaging your beautiful new floor, do not slide heavy objects over it, and use proper floor protectors under furniture and appliances. The beauty of this floor is that in the unlikely event that a plank is damaged, you simply lift and remove the damaged piece and replace it with a new one. And EarthWerks loose lay can easily be removed and reused elsewhere. It is that simple. So give that area in your home or office a new look. Choose the color that best suits your decor and get started. EarthWerks loose lay flooring, inspired by nature beauty in an innovative installation system with the quality you expect from EarthWerks. We are LVT. These instructions are general guidelines for the proper procedures for installing and maintaining EarthWerks loose lay flooring. For detailed instructions on installation and maintenance, please visit our website at earthworks.com or call EarthWerks Technical Service at 1-800-275-7943. Choose option 2. Thank you again for choosing and installing EarthWerks loose lay flooring from EarthWerks.